Okay, this is checkpoint 6.8. Write a method headers without bodies for the following method. But for demonstration, I will actually write the body as well. Okay, the number A, return sales commissions, given sales amount, and then commission rate. So we can consider there are two parameters, and then there is a return value, okay, sales commissions. So you can make a decision, sales commission, let's say 2,000, okay. Sales amount, for example, 20,000, okay. Commission, let's say 10%. We know these are all double value, okay. So if you write the methods, okay, let's say public, static, employee, main. Let me start with main methods. Okay. So we are going to use this method here because it's a static. Okay. We need to declare this method as a static. Static. There is a return, which is going to be a double. And then naming convention for methods, we use Power BI noun. So let's say get, okay, something meaningful. You can say sales commission, or you can say commission. So I'm going to use commission. Given sales amount and then commission rate, okay. So sales amount will be double data type, sales amount. Then there will be a second formal parameter. Again, this is going to be double. And let's say commission rate. Okay. So return value here supposed to be based on these calculations. Okay. So if you want to separate the get commissions, so we can actually add one here, local value double. Okay, commissions 0.0. Then commissions is based on sales amount, okay, multiplied by commission rate, okay. For example, if you get sales amount 20,000, then multiply by let's say 10%, that means you're going to get 2,000, okay. That's the main idea. So let's go back here, how to use it. Get commission. Then you can say sales amount, for example, 20,000, comma, and commission, let's say 10%, which is 0.1. Then it's going to return the value, okay. So you can print. So this case is going to give us 2,000, okay. Let's try. Okay, 2,000. For this parameter, normally we will have our own, okay, variable, sales amount, then say 0.0, and then here double commission rate 0.0. We often ask this question, so okay, enter sales amount. Then we are going to use scanner input so that we can get the input from sender input device. Let's import. Okay, then here sales amounts. That depends on input. So here, okay, next we are looking at next double. Okay, we assume this sales commission is fixed. Okay, 10%. So we can change sales amount and then commissions. Okay, I think there is a typo. Okay, there should be a missing M. So commission rate. So we can say if you enter 20,000, okay, multiply by 10%. So it works. It should be exactly the same. Okay, so if you do 20,000, here is the commission 2,000. Okay, according to this calculation. Okay, so question is actually asking simply write down method header. That's all. But just try to add the body as well, so you can see how it works. Okay, but the question itself, try to learn how to write the method header according to question. That's all. Thank you.